Dear brothers and sisters, the feast of the Holy Trinity reminds us of the unity, the undivided unity in God, the Father, Son, and Spirit. They work together, coordinating in one heart, in one mind, and in oneness. This unity in God is the triune God unity. This unity is seen in the Holy Family, the love between Jesus, Mary, and Joseph.